All right, it is time for our Windsor, Colorado real estate market update. My name is Andy Hawbaker with Coldwell Banker, Windsor, Colorado. We had 83 new listings in Windsor, Colorado, which is up 29% over the last year. So more listings coming on the market in Windsor, which is really pretty interesting. There were 58 closed sales, which is actually up 9% from last year. Looks like the market's actually doing pretty good here in Windsor, which is great news. 51 days on market. Now that is longer. That's still not terrible if you think it's 30 days to close a deal, but if it's going to take 20 some days to get an offer on your house, that is definitely slowing down. And then there's 2.3 months of supply in Windsor, Colorado, which is up 27% from last year. So that's still historically low, but up quite a bit from the previous year. The median sales price was $586,500, which is down just 2.3% from last year. Again, that's median. And this is actually 98.2% of the percentage that people pay of the asking price. So 98% of the asking price. So that is what we're seeing in Windsor, Colorado. My name is Andy Hawbaker with Coldwell Banker Realty. You may be asking yourself, what does this actually mean for me? Well, as you can see, the market's actually pretty good. We have more listings, we have more closed sales than a year ago, so the market's actually doing pretty good in Windsor. Let's face it, Windsor is a place people want to move to, people want to live here. So if you're a buyer looking at Windsor, Colorado, the good news is you saw the inventory, longer time on the market. That means that you have some choice. You can probably see a few homes that are available in your price range instead of only having one home and it's sold in an hour like it was about 2 years ago. So you have some time to make decisions there. So especially if you're a cash buyer, this is a really good time to buy. You don't have to worry about the interest rates, but there's less people in the market, so you can seek out those good deals. Now, if you are a seller looking to offload your property here in Windsor, Colorado, it's still actually a pretty good time. As you saw, the home prices were down just slightly from a year ago, but pretty flat, quite honestly. So we haven't lost all that equity that we gained in the last couple of years. That's not going to happen. So you are going to sell and probably make a good profit on your home. So if you have any more questions about Windsor, Colorado real estate, you want to know anything about real estate in general or moving to or living in Windsor, hit me up at my website, which is andyhawbaker.com. Like I said, my name is Andy Hawbaker. I'm with Coldwell Banker Realty, Northern Colorado. And if you have any questions, just hit me up. I'm happy to help.